Good morning, Mzansi. Umkosi Ojuicy here. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Yo, guys. Nango guy, okayo batulele na more than 400 women. Haibo, guys, do you really think okayo right? So, I think okay is releasing nama cloth tape right now. It's because he's angry njengoba bathi bamkhiphile to iposition yakhe. It's like he has been having a cloth with everyone officing la sebenza khona, everywhere guy. And the funny thing is the man is married with 6 children. Just imagine, 6. But he's been going around sleeping with so many women who are sleeping just with anyone and high profile people, not just young girls or just J. He's been sleeping with high profile people. Yo, hi guys, thank you for listening, thank you for watching. Stay tuned, like and subscribe.